Differences between Grammarly and Turnitin. Step-by-step guide. Grammarly vs Turnitin. Grammarly is an extremely popular San Francisco-based software company that helps bloggers, writers, publishers, and all other individuals in editing their articles, checking typical and advanced grammatical errors, enhancing written word quality, and checking plagiarism. While Turnitin is a tool or software that is extremely popular in the academic sector. It is mainly known for checking plagiarism from millions of sources on the Internet and its own database. The Grammarly was first established in 2009 when the tool first came out in the growing world of the Internet, and today, it's one of the most utilized grammar checker and plagiarism checker tools used by millions of students, business professionals, and all general Internet user. While the Turnitin software was first launched in the year 1997. Users of Grammarly are over 30 million, while user of Turnitin are over 30 million students. Grammarly can be used in Microsoft Word or as a Chrome extension to help people express their ideas efficiently and uniquely, while Turnitin is used by over 15,000 well-known institutions around the world. The software is produced by Grammarly Incorporation, with hubs in San Francisco, California, with offices in Kyiv, New York City, Vancouver, and Berlin, while headquarters of Turnitin is in California, United States. Weblink of Grammarly is www.grammarly.com, while weblink of Turnitin is www.turnitin.com. Character count limit in Grammarly is up to 150,000, while character count limit in Turnitin is 25,000 to 30,000. The speed of Grammarly is fastest, while Turnitin is slower than Grammarly. Free plan is available in Grammarly software, while free plan is not available in Turnitin. The database of Grammarly contains over 16 billion sources all across the Internet, while 200 million student papers, 17 billion websites, and 90,000 journals, periodicals, and books databases are available on Turnitin. Reliability score of Grammarly is 8 out of 10, while reliability score of Turnitin is 9 out of 10. The usability of Grammarly is extremely user-friendly, while the usability of Turnitin is not as user-friendly as Grammarly. The grammar check of Grammarly is 10 by 10, while the grammar check of Turnitin is 5 by 10. Overall rating of Grammarly is 9 by 10, while overall rating of Turnitin is 6 by 10. Pros of Grammarly are easy to use if compared to other platforms. Fast and reputed company. Can be used across all devices. Extremely affordable for individuals. Offers a free plan to beginners. Easily integrates with other platforms, while pros of Turnitin are one of the best plagiarism detectors out there on the web, checks spelling and grammar. Provides contextual data. Easy to use for students and instructors. Extremely reliable and trusted platform. The cons of Grammarly are: the free plan is very limited. It's not always perfect. Doesn't always work on every website. Can be a bit slow sometimes. While cons of Turnitin are: slower than other platforms. Very expensive if compared to other competitors. The sign-in process is too complicated. Slow support in some countries. Traits of Grammarly are many, such as: it checks common and advanced spelling and grammar errors. Helps users write content within Grammarly's own editor. Helps users check and correct grammar errors in Microsoft Word and across the web. Provides definitions of unknown terminologies. Provides word suggestions and synonyms. Helps users check plagiarism thoroughly. Assists people to adjust the tone of their writing style. It also helps businesses work with their team members collectively or separately, provides research and writing support to libraries. Helps institutions improve the writing skills of their students by providing advanced level functionalities. Helps users with the preferred English types, US, UK, Canadian, and Australian. Traits of Turnitin are many, such as Turnitin scans through millions of sources to compare assignments and detect if there are any plagiarism issues. It automatically gives grades after scanning through the assignments. Checks common spelling and grammar errors. Helps instructors to allow students for resubmitting and receiving revised reports. Helps instructors give feedback on assignments in a short period of time. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel Thesis Helper. Thanks for watching.